network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bam, bam, bam.
वो क्या था आलतू बाबा?
That was me creating a shivering voice.
That is not the way. Bam, ऐसे करना है.
Hey, if you're shivering, air conditioning is on, it's got to go bam, bam, bam. It'll be like Shah Rukh Khan saying bam, bam.
Whatever. नमस्कार बंदीजान.
Namaste, Banijan.
नमस्कार बंदीजान.
Walaka, Banijan.
खुशामदीद बंदीजान.
Sat Sri Akal, Banijan.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम.
And of course, Mikandar ki Vandanam. And of course, हमारे इस्माइल भाई बदलों को इस्माइल करते हुए बोलेंगे याली मदद एंड मरनी बदलजन.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय स्वामीनारायण.
जय राम जी की.
And Nisam Bulla to all our Fijis out there. And आज बोलेंगे आज का show topic फादरानी is very much connected to what's happening currently in our lives.
हाँ?
Yes.
जो ट्रम्प गया ऐसा कोई थीम है क्या है तुम्हारा थीम?
ट्रम्प गया क्या? ट्रम्प गया वंप गया है. What is the point with Trump? Okay, Trump anyway is gone now. चला गया. Even the moment the people spoke, you should just take it. He was just fighting and holding on to to his dear life. But anyway, he's gone. Anyway, it's become totally thanda right now as the weather.
It's like दंगा करके गंदा करके चले गए.
लेकिन उन्होंने पहला गंदा के बाद दंगा किया.
हाँ.
गंदा करके दंगा करके चले गए.
हाँ.
चले गए.
नहीं दंगा करके गंदा अभी गंदा भी करेगा.
चीटिंग गुडू चले गए.
हाँ. चढ़ गए.
हाँ.
चले गए.
Hey, बस enough. फालतू नहीं.
हाँ.
आगे बढ़ते यार. Come on, we got to move to a new thing. I saw very
तो
nice.
फिर अभी तो क्या बोल रहा है? मतलब थैंक्सगिविंग वाला ये कर रहा है क्या?
No. But जान अगर आप बाहर जाओगे, लेयर अप करोगे, right?
हाँ.
मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओगे, right? And ग्लव्स पहनोगे, वरना तो आपका तो कुल्फी जमने वाला है भाई. तो हम लोग आज कुल्फी जमाने वाले ठंडी के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. We're going to talk about ठंडा Tuesdays.
Oh, ठंडा Tuesdays. Ice, baby.
Hey, Faltani, we're talking about thanda as in cold weather.
Right.
Cold weather is coming in that double jan, as you guys know. It is right now around 60 right now.
Huh.
It's going to become 45 by night.
क्या?
And guess what? All through the week.
It's going to be that cold, Alto Baba?
Dude, we're going to get on Friday.
Huh.
The lowest temperature is going to be 37 degrees.
Ah!
And highest we're going to go 65. It's going to be on Saturday. क्या बात रखो?
इतनी ठंडी.
Oh my
I
God.
hope it's going to snow. I love ठंडी weather, Alto Baba.
You love ठंडी weather?
Yes, I
ऐसे
totally.
बहुत ठंडी है तेरी में.
हाँ?
सही बात.
क्या?
नहीं लेकिन पॉइंट तो बहुत ठंडा है.
जब बहुत गर्मी है तब ठंडक के ठंडक की.
Okay, बच्चन ठंडी का मौसम है and yes, awesome है. I understand Tuesday है. We're going to have Health Tuesday coming up right now in a few minutes. We're going to have Prerna Uppal joining us on Skype for shows के पास जाएंगे बच्चन. लेकिन उससे पहले फालतू नहीं. We're going to talk about how our Indian cinema has talked about ठंडी.
Huh?
All the things comes out. But I got a question for our bandus.
Do you like cold or hot?
Do you like hot or cold?
Huh?
Hot or not? 408-912-2479. You have to give us a call right now. Oh.
तो अगर वो बोलेंगे hot तो उनके लिए गरम गाना लगाएगा.
Excuse me, Meenakshi ji, don't worry. आपके पास तो you are in a place where it snows also, right?
I know, you're so lucky.
Yeah, लेकिन हमारे getting close to that weather already. 35 degrees आएगा हमारा.
I wish it would snow.
Probably it'll condense, and we had ice in the mornings once actually in California.
Yeah, we did. We almost did hail, right? Hail kind of thing, right?
No.
We had it was like we were getting ice rain.
No, the grass one had ice Panujan. So actually next step of snowing. Faltoni is not aware of that actually.
Really?
It happened a few weeks ago when Trump was not ready to give up his seat. But now that he's given up his seat, everything's going to be normal right now. Can you imagine? See, as soon as he said he's going, we are getting positive response on the vaccine also, Faltoni.
Huh?
The market is bouncing back right now.
I know.
30,000.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it bounced back. Can you imagine what was happening with Trump sitting over there? Huh? But anyway, Bajan, आज हम लोग पूछने वाले हैं आपसे कि whether you like ठंडी weather or not. Because many of you actually this particular Thanksgiving, in spite of the CDC asking you not to travel, are taking the chance and traveling. Because quite a few of them, and Americans actually, have said that the risk of they don't mind taking the risk of COVID to go spend time with family because they value family more. But the sad part is, if
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
Hello, there was actually a news article specifically on that, saying that 1 out of 4 Americans are choosing to actually, overlook that particular ruling of, or rather, request of all the governors to asking them to stay at home and celebrate Thanksgiving at home.
Really?
Yeah, and wow, look outside, Padri. Traffic, dekho bahar. Oh my God, Baljan, all of you are traveling, I suppose. Everybody south, what do you call that? South 101 is like, totally packed right now. Because holiday season, people travel. All destinations will be totally packed right now. People are going to go there. But please understand one thing. When you go there, also be very mindful. Practice those hand washing techniques and make sure you are healthy, eat healthy, be around people who actually have been tested at least, whatever it is, right? So that way you keep yourself, up to date on all these things. That's why I'm requesting you. Like for some of us like us who are going to be staying at home and watching, giving thanks to everything we have in our lives, today's show is about Thanda Tuesdays. It is not about the cold Tuesdays. We're going to cold weather. Are you a person who likes Thanda or no? That's it. That's the question. Faltoni, what is your answer?
I love thanda weather. I love it.
Yeah, tera heart bhi aisa hai.
I can have ice cream even in thanda weather. I can have ice cream any weather, but I love thanda weather.
Cold-hearted people will love all those things.
What cold-hearted people? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I can tolerate any degree of cold, but I can't tolerate heat so much. इतना hot नहीं पसंद आता है मेरे को.
Yeah, and of course request आ रही है एक और Biden करने के लिए. हाँ कर देंगे. Don't worry. Special show करेंगे उसका. Thank you बोलेंगे after he leaves the place. Oh, that's what we're going to have. What's going to happen?
Who asked for that?
Some people asking. We need to more of the buy Cheetos episode. Really want to hear Kaldiram ka baj gaya dol. Don't worry. Aega. Lekin understand one thing. Though he has said that he's acknowledging the fact that he is one and giving them a little bit of a leeway to go spend money on actually hiring people and everything for the transition part of it. He still is saying he's disputing all the elections.
Oh, really?
And he has until December 8th, technically by law, to decide whether he wants to dispute further or not. Yeah, though it has clearly been stated and certified by the thing. So he wants an audit of all the thing, I believe. So audit will only happen after it's certified, right? So he doesn't want to, he has to accept the first of all he won, then he's got to go challenge it. देखते क्या होता है बच्चा. लेकिन आज का थीम के मुताबिक मैंने एक अच्छा गाना लेके आया फातवानी.
लगाओ. क्या हुआ आलतू बाबा?
You will love this song, Faltoni, because you like cold weather, right?
Yeah.
A nice thanda song for you.
Oh, really? ये कौन सा है? मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Enjoy, Faltoni. Don't worry about it. Enjoy. एक ज़माने में बहुत famous था बंदा.
क्या?
Oh, sorry. हाँ.
क्या?
Oh, no, Faltoni, the wrong song I played actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Clearly you did, Altu Baba.
What?
You should इसीलिए homework करना चाहिए तेरे को.
मैं home में always work करता हूँ.
अच्छा.
सब लोग homework कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Here you go, Batajan. Enjoy song.
Oh, copycat.
Hey, Baba cycle.
आप सब मेरे दोस्त, माय फ्रेंड्स, जब भी किसी 5-स्टार होटल जाते हैं, या तो खाने के लिए, या किसी से मिलने के लिए, और या किसी और काम के लिए जो आप ही बेहतर जानते हैं. लेकिन मेरे दोस्तों, मैं आज आपको अपना अनुभव सुनाता हूं, जिसे सुनकर आप भी गुनगुनाएंगे. मैं 5-स्टार होटल पहली बार गया, मैंने देखा पानी से भरा स्विमिंग पूल. आया मैनेजर, बोला बैठिए प्लीज सर, आपकी सेवा में मैं हाजिर हूँ. कुछ फरमाइए, बोलिए क्या आपको चाहिए. ठंडा पानी, ठंडा पानी, ठंडा पानी, ठंडा पानी. आप सबको चुप नहीं रहना है, अपने सब साथियों को जगाना है. प्यास लगी है तो बुझानी भी है. जब आप इतना रुपया खर्च कर रहे हैं तो आपको उसकी वसूली मिलनी ही चाहिए. फिर क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं आप सब मेरे साथ. ठंडा ठंडा पानी।
Nonsense गाना।
What?
ये क्या nonsense गा रहा है? Stupid. This is like such bad lyrics also.
What?
Yeah, seriously. It's no pras है. Total only tras है.
That is Baba Cycle for you.
And lyrics are so crass है.
Yeah, that is Baba Cycle for you.
No,
एक ज़माने people go crazy after him, okay, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 90 का वो बादशाह था.
Please, this is not the kind of songs we're talking about, Altu Baba.
He was 90's Badshah and also 90's, what's his guy like that?
How is this anything related to
He was
Thanda?
Yo-Yo Badshah, man, because you see in song also Yo-Yo Badshah.
Oh God, please, Altu Baba. Yo-Yo and Badshah are two different rappers, and this guy also.
हाँ, सब मिला के ये था.
Huh?
हम ये 90s में देखो people call up and say Deepa come and attest to it. I know you love all Baba Cycle songs.
Oh, what nonsense! Seriously, what a bakwas song it was.
Excuse me, क्या people are posting on जाके Facebook में डालो. Come on, message कर रहे हैं मुझे कि I love the song and all the stuff.
Oh, people are telling you they love the song.
नहीं,
What?
I'm inferring from what they say.
Okay, Altu Baba.
हाँ.
Let me ask you a question.
Ask
तू
करें.
ठंडी वेदर के बारे में बात कर रहा था. ये ठंडा ठंडा पानी तेरे को कहाँ से आ गया?
देखो पानी is from where? पानी कहाँ से आता है? डार्लिंग पानी कहाँ से आता है?
पानी
नल से बोलेगी तू ना, मुझे मालूम है तुम जैसे बच्चे जो है पैसे वाले बच्चे ऐसे ही बोलेंगे
क्या?
नल से आता है. हाँ, लेकिन नल के अंदर पानी कैसे आता है? अभी मत बोल रिजर्वर से आता है. हाँ, लेकिन ठीक है, रिजर्वर के पानी कैसे आता है? बारिश से आता है.
नदी
नदी
समुद्र
मद्र
हाँ all that.
समुद्र तेरे को सॉल्ट वाटर आएगा समुद्र से.
Okay, आल्तू बाबा तू मेरे को
कहने
इंग्लिश
का मतलब है कि
साइंस लेसन दे रहा है क्या?
actually what I'm trying to say is rain water.
हाँ.
Rain is मौसम.
हाँ.
Cold weather almost rain आता है
हाँ.
and पानी बनता है. तो cold weather हो गया ना पानी. What is this man?
Cold weather में पानी आता है क्या?
पता नहीं. What is this?
Whatever. I don't think this is what we meant with the Jan. What we're talking about is जैसे ठंडी हवा चल रही है, the wind chill जो बोलते हैं, right? That is what makes it even colder sometimes. So, do you guys like that? Do you like that little shiver, that kind of weather? I love that kind of weather. I love the weather where I need to wear my Uggs and my sweaters and my stoles and all that good
shoe,
stuff.
actually, when I see it, I go ugh.
Hey, what nonsense! It's the most comfortable, most.
Luckily, I didn't do Mahaprana mistake and say it in Hindi. Okay.
हाँ.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठंडा ठंडा Tuesday में. Who's this? Hello.
ठंडा ठंडा पानी.
देखा, I told you she loves. I know you love this guy, right?
Oh God.
Yes.
अच्छा, तो प्रणव जी, see, she's saying she likes this guy.
Arrest my case. But I know one particular song.
जब भी एकदम से प्रणव जी को बुलाने का, अरे वो टाइम पे वो उसका टाइम चल रहा था, जैसे सबका टाइम आता है उसका टाइम आया था, तो चल पड़ा वो.
ये टोटल कॉपी कैट है. टोटल कॉपी कैट.
नहीं. अरे अच्छा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, किसका कॉपी है? कम ऑन.
हेलो, किसी का भी कॉपी हो, लेकिन आप कॉपी मत करो. Let's come back to the point. Deepa, whenever she comes, she inspires some songs in me, correct?
Okay.
Deepa, मेरे लिए आपके लिए specifically एक गाना है मेरे पास.
अच्छा.
So आप endorse करोगे, बोलोगे, अरे वाह, Altu Baba, I totally agree with you on this.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Deepa will not say that to you, Altu Baba. Hi, Anupam.
She'll not say that to me, Baba, but she will agree with me. She'll say, अरे वाह, Altu Baba, so awesome. He actually thought of me when thought of the song for me.
हाँ. Really?
Yeah, talking about cold weather only. फालतूनी, I think you already got.
कौन सा गाना? आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा.
नहीं, ची. आजा गाड़ी में बैठ जा मतलब क्या आपका?
या.
हमारा decent होता है बाबा.
अरे वो बाबा साइकिल का गाना है.
तो बाबा साइकिल गाते तो क्या अच्छा गंदी बात हम नहीं करते ऑन एयर क्या? अभी प्रोडक्ट सुन रहे हैं, अभी मैसेज कर रहे हैं.
कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी.
लेकिन
just now you were saying बाबा साइकिल is good. अभी एकदम से पलटी मार ली क्या आल्तू बाबा?
अरे मेरा काफी पलटी मारने
आया. agreeing with you.
Oh, thank you. वही यकीन नहीं हो रहा मुझे. Can you please pinch me here, चिमटी वाला पे? इतना जोर से नहीं रे.
क्या?
वो ठीक से नहीं आया.
बस खत्म. I'm
आल्तू कितना वेट लूज हो गया, तेरा स्किन ही नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है.
मेरा स्किन नहीं आ रहा है.
क्या?
हाँ, उसको पिंच करने का ये क्या बोला मेरे को?
वो मसल है, मसल
के रख दूंगा.
ओह वाह, देखा डायलॉग मार रही है दीपा. दीपा, नाइस सॉन्ग. I'll tell you, Deepa, let's ask you a question, Deepa. You are from a very hot place, correct?
Yes.
You are Bijapur, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's a very hot place, Falguni. I don't know if you know
Really?
about it.
Yeah, it is very hot.
Is
Dry
it
Hot
heat.
लोग hot जगह से होते हैं.
Oh, hey, I didn't say that. But anyway, now you're staying in a cold place. Now you're staying in a cold place, huh?
No, now also she's in a hot place
No,
only.
she's not.
Dry
Mountain
heat.
House, Mountain House is cold, right?
Mountain House is hot.
दीपा
Hot
बहुत
as...
दीपा अमेरिका के बहुत ठंडा पड़ गई हाँ दीपा नहीं
अरे अमेरिका में कैलिफोर्निया हॉट ही है ना.
हॉट कैलिफोर्निया हॉट ही है इसे हम डी हॉट ही है
Not all of California, Bear Mountain
मैंने बोला
में.
हॉट ही है.
ठीक है
हाँ.
ठीक है ठीक है
हाँ.
मान लेते हैं दीपा लेकिन ये बताओ डू यू लाइक कोल्ड वेदर और डू यू लाइक हॉट वेदर
अयो आई लाइक हॉट वेदर.
व्हाई डू यू लाइक
मैं
हॉट
विंटर में मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक कोल्ड वेदर.
यू कांट वेयर द क्रॉप टॉप्स एंड मिनी स्कर्ट्स राइट
नहीं अरे नहीं.
What?
I am more active, more
स्लीवलेस
क्या बोलते हैं, more
स्लीवलेस टैंक
I
टॉप्स
feel more alive in summer.
हाँ because you can wear sleeveless tank tops and everything right
What?
yeah
No,
नहीं
Deepa.
नहीं.
No?
अरे क्यों? Why I have to reduce everything towards what I wear? No.
no
How I
not
feel
what
and
you
feel.
wear I'm talking about weather
नहीं मैं बोल रही हूँ weather as such ये अच्छा नहीं लगता मुझे cold weather.
Yeah, but tell you
नहीं,
one thing.
मतलब-
So if at all you say that way, you will wear a razai and sleep on when you're in hot weather. Is it no, right? You sleep without razai, right? Yes, no. Yeah. Yeah, obviously.
नहीं simple अच्छा रहता है. Summer
चलो.
is always good for me.
Okay, fine.
And
Summer.
it's good for the health. Yeah.
Summer's good for health. Ah.
That's what she's
Yeah.
saying.
Nice. I never knew that, Falguni.
Not always, yeah. Dry heat is not good for you at all.
ड्राई हीट नहीं बाबा नहीं. इवन नहीं फालतू रानी. समर में तुम्हारा स्किन अच्छा हो जाता है. यू डोंट हैव एनी ड्राइनेस ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम्स इन समर.
Hey, but you have
मेरा
a...
usually-
उल्टा है. मेरा
Yeah.
उल्टा है.
Because you're ice queen, no, Falguni. You're like no, that lady. What's her name? The cold-hearted. ए, वो क्या जो ए जादू टोना करने वाली है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको जो कोल्ड हार्टेड पर्सन यार वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको एल्सा नहीं एल्सा क्या उसका नाम
एल्सा
अच्छा
आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट समबडी आई वाज टॉकिंग समबडी
मैं एल्सा हूँ तो तू ओलाफ है.
मैं ओलाफ तो हूँ आई एग्री विद यू टोटली आई एम टोटली ओलाफ आई एम वेरी हेल्दी एंड न्यूट्रिशियस आई गॉट फुल ऑफ विटामिन सी बिकॉज़ आई हैव कैरेट फॉर नोज नाक भी ऐसा ही मेरा
Whatever.
एंड किड्स लव मी
अरे
बाय द
तो क्या फालतू रानी तुम जहाँ भी कुछ भी छुओगी वो आइस बन जाएगा.
वे आई डिडंट से दिस फाल्तू शी सेड दैट
Ah,
ओलाफ इज मेड ऑफ आइस
अच्छा दीपा अभी आल्टो के साथ मिलके मेरे ऊपर चढ़ रहे हो हाँ?
अरे मैं पूछ रही हूँ if you are Elsa.
I am not Elsa Ray. I enjoy the cold weather. That's all.
अच्छा.
I like कि मुझे ना my wardrobe. I get to use my boots. I get to use my
okay.
all the sweaters and you know वो जो long.
एक ना
and
थोड़ा उल्टा है
Fashion point of view ले. You feel
even otherwise, I love the snow. I really love the
अरे,
snow.
Yeah,
Falguni is
तो
very-
सिर्फ 4 दिन के लिए बस हो गया.
Nah.
बाद में मुझे
हाँ, she also for 4 days she likes it.
No. You should see all the seasons. So you know like मुझे spring भी पसंद है, fall भी पसंद है. जैसे मैं Washington DC में थी तो I used to get a good mix of all the seasons.
Wow.
Nice hot summers and yeah and
Very good, very good. So,
अरे
Fal-
बोलने के लिए वैसे सब लोग बोलते हैं ये you have to enjoy all season and it is true also.
yeah,
लेकिन if at all I would prefer summer something warmer.
हाँ.
Definitely.
Okay.
ये क्या 4 बजे अंधेरा हो जाता है बाबा.
4 बजे
हाँ, और करो daylight saving. और करो.
हाँ तो अभी ये बताओ दीपा एक ठंडा गाना.
Hey, not like
ठंडा
ठंडा गाना
गाना?
as in like not the 90s वाला गाना. ठंडा गाना we want. Like about ठंडाई.
About something with okay.
Cold.
I think बारिश का
नहीं,
वो
बारिश is not
चलेगा ना.
ठंडा. No, बारिश makes it very hot. It's like hot weather, no? Precipitation. But you want
अच्छा
ठंडा.
ठीक है.
You want ice
ठंडे
formation.
ठंडे पानी से
Oh, hey.
नहाना चाहिए.
अरे वाह वाह.
गाना आए या न आए गाना चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये अच्छा गाना.
मम्मी को भी अंदर बुलाना
बुलाना चाहिए. गाना आए या न आए.
गाना चाहिए.
Very good.
अच्छा दीपा कह रही है हॉट वेदर में ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना है.
अरे
क्या
वाह.
है ये Okay, fine, Deepa. We got your vote. So
Deepa.
let's see how many people pick hot over cold.
Yes, let's see. Now she's picked up hot actually right now. Thank you so much Deepa calling us. सुनते रहेगा because we're going to go to the next segment of Fast Faltu. उससे पहले गाना हो जाए.
गाना हाँ हो जाए. तूने ठंडा ठंडा पानी लगाया राइट? मैं क्यूट सा गाना लगाऊं?
हाँ लगाना.
वेरी वेरी क्यूट गाना है.
लगाना बाबा.
सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा. बन जाए किशोर कुमार की आवाज में. झुमरू मूवी से बन जाए.
ये चांदनी सुहानी है, मेरे दिल सुना कोई कहानी, लंबी सी एक डगर है जिंदगानी, है मेरे दिल सुना कोई कहानी. सपनों में खो गए, सर रख के आसमां पे पर्वत भी सो गए. सारे हंसी नजारे सपनों में खो गए, सर रख के आसमां पे पर्वत भी सो गए. मेरे दिल तू सुना कोई ऐसी दास्तां, जिसको सुनकर मिले चैन मुझे मेरी जान, मंजिल है मस्तानी.
What a beautiful song, Faltu. और आएंगे इसके बारे में. We're going to talk about the cold weather. Yes, we are. It's kind of totally becoming cold right now. But yes, it's getting hot in the politics part of it. But right now, Miljan, what's hot is about our health. Right? Vaccines are coming up. Things are happening on there. We have to go to our health 360 segment right now. And we have with us on air, joining us through Skype, Prerna ji. Hi, Prerna ji. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. And you?
Wonderful. Thank you for joining us. I know it's kind of weather's changing and everything, and all the positive feelings I'm having right now because Trump has finally decided to leave. Now
he hasn't finally decided to leave. He has no choice now. The people are saying, okay, now transition.
Let me have my little bit of pleasure, Faltu.
Okay, fine, Altuma.
My God, it's okay. It's like, it's a victory for us. I look at that way, it's a victory for us.
Yeah, because he had started stress eating, Prerna.
Huh?
When, all of a sudden...
You have to share all that with Prerna.
Yeah.
Prerna, whatever she says, take it with a pinch of... No, take it with the whole bottle of salt.
Yeah. So Altu Baba had started stress eating when he realized that...
Hey, I was stressing on eating, not stress eating.
Yeah. And then now he's saying, Khushi mein I'm going to eat more.
You have to share all the way, Prerna.
Yeah.
Okay, Prerna, whatever I said was the weak moment of mine. She's just trying to, trying to gain 20 points with you.
But I have been telling you how you should stay healthy and, make sure that all that weight you've lost to keep it off and all that, Altu Baba. By following what Prerna is telling you, remember?
She reminds me of the time in school she used to bring the particular roast to teacher every day. Teacher, roast for you. But Prerna, let's talk about health. We always talk about wonderful topics today. And yes, is that going to be a topic today, Faltu?
Yes.
I knew it the way you read out from the screen.
What? I was not reading anything out from the screen. I was just saying that we're going into the holidays, with Diwali, people are making laddus and jalebis and so many things. Care packages coming from India everywhere. So many, like, what do you call that? Faral, is it the one that they make? We got also, right? Remember our bandhus brought. So a lot of good stuff that people are eating now. Good stuff, and I mean, which is not so good for our waistline and our belly.
But is it?
Let's ask. Yeah, let's ask. Prerna, how do you actually, let's say you get these ribbon pakoras, the chakli, the murku and all this stuff that comes along with all these laddus and everything that comes.
Dry samosas, all this from India.
Yeah. How, is it bad for you?
Yeah, so great question. And you're right? There's a lot of stress in the air. Holidays themselves can be pretty emotionally stressful for families. And we've got stuff brewing on the political front in our country. So yes, there is a lot of emotional and stress eating that my patients are telling me they're engaging in. And as we're talking about these sort of snacks and some holiday foods, when we talk about the crispy Indian snacks, that's what I like to call them without really going into brand names. But, when you have people like our bandhus going into the Indian stores or getting these care packages with, chaklis and, chivda and those spicy peanuts or what have you.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, there's a few things to sort of look out for over here. One is that it really shocks me how sort of the whole food industry is not as regulated as we'd like for it to be. So when you look at the ingredient list on some of those packages for oils, it says edible oil. And that always just would get me shocked that, well, it better be edible oil and not, machine oil. So the fact that they say that is just edible oil, what is that supposed to mean? So the whole quality control is missing, especially in India. So when you're getting those care packages from India or going to the Indian store and buying those sort of snacks and packaged foods, look for the kind of oil that is being used, because most vegetable oils, we've talked about this before, they're not the best oils to use. They're inflammatory, the way they're processed. There's chemicals used in that whole process. So keep that in mind. Some of them have trans fats. Now, trans fats are a kind of fat that are added to a lot of packaged foods to increase the shelf life. So from the time they're made in India and then they're shipped over and then they're sitting at the stores and you buy it and you take it home, they want to make sure the food doesn't get rancid. And so trans fats are used. And I always tell my patients that the trans fats increase the shelf life of a product, but they decrease our shelf life because they're bad for the heart.
Interesting. And of course, imagine if you are actually one of those people who buy those care packages, don't stop.
Not buy.
I know, give it to people. Distribute it. So don't stop doing that. It's a good custom to have. I appreciate that. I make sure I didn't mean that way. I didn't mean that. Don't misunderstand me, Falguni. You always misunderstand me. I'm saying that maybe more responsible in buying those packages, probably.
Right.
So you can be mindful of other people's health as well. So now, if you have any questions regarding that, and if you want to know what you could do exactly to make sure your family, your friends, and everybody else are healthy, how do you go about doing that? And what you can do, you can give us a call here if you want. 408-912-2479. Yes, Falguni, you have a question.
Okay, Prerna, there is one person who argues that I'm very active. I walk 5 miles a day. I do mindful eating. When I'm eating, I am eating very mindfully.
Wow.
Can I eat whatever I want if I'm doing the exercise, getting the aerobic exercise, doing my calisthenics, and at the same time being very conscious and enjoying everything that I'm eating? Can I eat whatever I want?
Arigato.
So very good question. But let me tell you that Dr. Ron and I both, we see patients sometimes who have perfect lifestyle sometimes, right? They're fitness freaks, they're exercising regularly, and then out of the blue, they have a test and it says that their arteries are 90% blocked, right? They think, where did that come from? I'm exercising, I'm active, I'm eating mindfully or making healthy choices. So obviously, there's a lot more to think about here. Is you've got to look at those biometrics. What do I mean by that, right? You've got to look at your blood parameters. And that's going to indicate to you what is going on. An example is I spoke to a patient yesterday, Monday. I had this patient who was referred to me actually by Dr. Sinha. And the patient had a good lifestyle. It's not really obese. He's slightly overweight and has been exercising regularly, playing tennis, and just been very active and been eating a fairly, healthy diet. The diet did slip in the last few months since COVID started. Again, eating some of those crispy Indian snacks that you talked about. They really crept into this person's diet. But long story short, he just found out he had 90% blockage in his arteries, and it came just as a huge surprise to him and his family. So So when I looked back historically at his labs over the last few years, there was definitely signs of metabolic syndrome. So your labs are going to, the proof is in the pudding. Your labs are going to often indicate, not always, but often indicate that something is amiss. So pay attention to that before you just decide that you can eat whatever you want just because you're doing a few extra squats or, going for that walk. Take a closer look, and if you need that help, go, see your PCP, go see a dietitian, but get someone to take a deeper dive at your lifestyle.
Yeah, thank you very much, Prerna, and thank you, Fazwati, for the below the belt blow. That was now we're going to get to the point. Well, okay, here's
so Prerna.
You won't let me ask about you, huh?
Wait. Let's do some myth busting here, okay? So I think it's important that I discuss this with Prerna. So for the benefit of all our bandhus who are just joining us, we're in conversation with nutritionist Prerna Uppal from the Palo Alto Medical Foundation, which is now part of the SATA Health Group. She works very closely with Dr. Ronnie Sinha, and she's also a holistic wellness coach, and she can guide you through getting your lifestyle altered, changed for the better. So Prerna, I want to ask you another argument that some people make, some people being very bright sparks, who will say, what if I eat just a little bit every day, like one little piece of sweet every day, one handful of chuda or one handful of murku, not handful, like with my rice or with my khana.
Please be clear.
Can you eat small quantities every day or every other day?
Prerna, before I address that thing, let me clarify. No, that was all inaccurate. Well, I didn't say those things. I was talking about donut actually, and that's okay. Now, Prerna, you can answer. Yeah.
Okay, so here's the thing, some of these foods that you have mentioned, firstly, we've just talked about how they contain really unhealthy fats, trans fats, poor quality oils. They're also carbohydrates, right? So when you look at it, they're basically processed carbohydrates. Now, in our South Asian population, Dr. Sinha and I see a lot of insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, metabolic syndrome. With that patient population, we're really keeping an eye on those carbohydrates. So having a little bit of these foods every day not only brings in those processed carbohydrates, which are not adding any benefit to your diet, but also poor quality oils. Now, once in a blue moon, if you had a little, that would be okay.
But yes.
I would not make it a daily occurrence, and that once in a blue moon should literally be very infrequent.
Prerna, I thought
celebrating, right?
Yeah, I thought we both on the same side, Prerna. What's up?
Yeah, once in a blue moon, she's saying, not once in a new moon or once in every moon.
I don't do it once every moon. Okay.
So let's ask you, Prerna. What about people who have a sweet tooth? I mean, is there a healthy way of making sweets or making any of these farsans or whatever you call that?
Is there a healthy way to eat sweets?
Is there any? No, man, making itself so it doesn't actually
Okay, you're an expert. Listen to her.
I'm sure because we've eaten what is that date? What is that? The date barfia. What is it?
She lost the name. It was very nice.
Well, you brought us something. Remember?
The date rolls.
The rolls. Yes.
Yes.
The date nut rolls.
Yeah. Good old days.
Yeah.
Made that for Diwali again this year.
You did, and you invite us. What is this, Prerna?
I know we've got to meet up again.
I need to get on a healthy diet right now. Otherwise, Prerna won't see me. Well, okay, coming back to the point. So let us know what are some healthy options for us.
Yes. So one of the things we can do is, as we are going to be surrounded with more sweets, but obviously less because people are working from home, right? So you don't have those extra sweets that you're going to encounter at work. But for those of us who are making those sweets at home, substituting unhealthy ingredients with the healthier alternatives is really the way to go, right? So using healthier fats. So maybe when I'm baking my banana bread, I will add flaxseed to it, I'll add walnuts to it. So add some healthier fats. And then instead of butter, will use either avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil to bake it. So those are the sort of substitutions you're going to make your baked dish or your sweets healthier, you can use nuts, seeds, right? Dried fruits can be used sometimes to sweeten, and that way you can cut back on the sugar that you're using. So instead of using, cane sugar, sometimes people will ask me, is it okay to use honey or maple syrup or coconut sugar? Yes, those are healthier because they have more vitamins and minerals, because they're less processed. But better than that would be to use dried fruit, which is a natural sugar, which has fiber instead of those sugars even. So those are the sort of substitutions you'd make.
Yeah, that's what I like about, Prerna's segment. She always give us a way out, like we say, talking about in terms of, how we can actually enjoy our culture. And that's the good thing about having a nutritionist, Banujan. They actually can study your pattern of life, how you go about doing it. And without even you knowing it, you actually can start eating healthy and still stay true to your culture part of it. So if you want to get a consult with Prerna, it's very simple. Go to sutterhealth.org, right?
Yes, you can. PAMF.org/South Asian, or you can also go to Dr. Sinha's blog, which is southasianhealthsolution.org. Again, southasianhealthsolution.org, and message for Prerna there as well. And Dr. Sinha, I would be able to get her to respond to you. So, Prerna, is there anything, we have about 15 seconds to close out, anything you wanted to leave our bandhus with before you go today?
Yeah, so, I wanted to just express gratitude this Thanksgiving to all the people who have helped us cope this year. I know it's been a very trying year for all of us, and I want to start with healthcare workers who have been taking risks and getting the illness themselves and even dying from it. So all the more important for us to respect all the regulations and limits that are being set on us this holiday season. Think of those healthcare workers who are literally sacrificing their lives for us. Grocery store workers who are working around the clock for us to be able to shop, and the mail delivery people. We really need to think about so much that we still can be grateful for this Thanksgiving versus just complaining about how the year has been.
Yeah.
And as you're trying to bring in those sweets and baking, just keep in mind that dark chocolate, the darker the chocolate, is actually an okay sweet to have regularly because it's high in flavonoids, and so it's definitely a go-to for that sweet tooth.
Yeah, and of course, people are there. If you'll say, dark chocolate, it's no longer sweet if it gets darker.
Yeah.
It's still okay. It's a good dessert or option. Yeah, thank you. That's a good point, actually.
Yeah, I actually know somebody who is nodding away to glory because he has a sweet tooth and he loves dark chocolate. And he's like, it's okay, Faltarani, you can have this because this is dark chocolate.
That's not me. Yeah, it's not me.
Limits again.
Yeah, it's
Right.
And again, she's not talking about me because she never talks good things
No,
about me.
not Altu Baba. It's somebody else because at the end of a meal...
She knows it. She never talks good things about me.
No, what? No. Okay. Thank
Well,
you.
I have to emphasize that you cannot eat dark chocolate ad lib in small quantities.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Just one tiny little piece.
There you go, just a square.
After dinner in the
Very
evening,
good.
which is before 7:30 p.m. in the evening, and then sleep only by 10:30 or 11 o'clock.
And then after eating that, fast for 16 hours.
16 hours, yes.
Oh,
You
my.
guys have really gotten it all, right? Good to see.
Yeah, it's all thanks to you guys. Again, expressing gratitude right now. I want to thank you, Prerna, for coming in every week. You guys come in here, spend time with our bandhus, explaining to them how important it is to focus on our health. And if we are healthy, it's probably because of you guys also. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much. Heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Sinha and you for all the wonderful information that you've been bringing our bandhus through the Health 360. And I want to wish you a very, very happy Thanksgiving break. And hope you all stay safe and happy and healthy. We'll see you.
Thank you, and I want to express the gratitude back to say you guys definitely gave us a platform to reach out to the community and share all of this information. So thank you as well. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. We'll talk to you in a couple of weeks. Have a good one.
And of course, if you want to actually join us on Facebook, it's possible. We are going to continue our show just a few minutes. But Jan, like आपको बोल दे कि this is a segment called Health 360 comes to you guys every
Tuesday.
Every Tuesday right here with your Pyara Altu Baba Faltarani.
And we will be back after a quick top of the hour break for the Jan. Don't go anywhere. Keep it right here on Radio The Odyssey, where entertainment, excitement, everything keeps getting hotter.
Hey guys, this is Deepika Padukone and you're listening to me on Radio Stay Hotties with Arzu Baba and Falsu Rani, where entertainment just got hotter.
चल पड़े हम ऐसी राह पे बेफिक्र हुए कि अब जाना कहाँ, लापता हुए सारे रास्ते ढूंढेगा हमें ये ज़माना कहाँ। ये समय कैसा मुस्कुराने जैसा, धीमी बारिशें हर जगह, ये नशा कैसा डूब जाने जैसा, जागी ख्वाहिशें हर जगह। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा। जैसा हूँ ऐसा ही रहने दो मुझे, दुनिया की बंदिशों से मेरा नाता है कहाँ, रुकना ठहरना मुझको आता है कहाँ। ये समय कैसा मुस्कुराने जैसा, धीमी बारिशें हर जगह, ये नशा कैसा डूब जाने जैसा, जागी ख्वाहिशें हर जगह। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा। गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, गज़ब का है ये दिन, देखो जरा।
By Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam! Bam Bam!
नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कारा
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
सत श्री अकाल
नीकंदरिकी वंदनमु
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जनेन्द्र
जय राम जी की
जय स्वामी नारायण।
और हमारे इस्लामी भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं याली बता
मरने मतलब बोलते हैं सारे फीजी ये मतलब बोलेगा ईसाम बोला बड़जान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे में हमारे दरबार में अल्तबा इन साथ में मेरे हैं पत्रने
एंड हम आ गए हैं बनाने आपके ट्यूसडे वाली शाम को थोड़ी और एक्साइटिंग एंड थोड़ी और मस्तानी में दुजानी एंड द वेदर इज सो डिलाइटफुल
द वेदर आउटसाइड इज ठंडा So you want something garam? You can listen to us, the hotties. We'll make it thanda garam.
The weather outside is thanda. On air is your garam banda. Like that you should say it.
जी. नमस्कार आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठंडा ठंडा ट्यूसडे में. Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम.
पापा. कैसा प्रणब जी, क्या हाल चाल है?
बहुत बढ़िया, तुम लोग कैसे हो?
मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. देखो मेरे हाथ में क्या है.
इतने दिन हो गए प्रणब जी, इतनी देर हो गई आपसे बात में मिले हुए.
I know, after such a long time meeting you, आप बहुत बिजी आदमी हो यार. मतलब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है आपसे.
क्या दो हाँ बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ कितना माय गॉड.
हाँ गीत का तो छल में भी नहीं, आई मीन मेरा बकबक में भी नहीं आए.
हाँ वो तो वहाँ पे तो कुछ और चल रहा था ना वहाँ पे.
अच्छा
काम पे बिजी थे.
काम में बिजी थे.
काम में बिजी थे यार. काम पे नहीं, काम में.
फोन रखना है क्या?
नहीं फोन मत रखो, बस बातें करो क्योंकि आज हम बातें करें ठंडा ठंडा. मतलब ट्यूसडे, द वेदर इज गेटिंग कोल्ड राइट नाउ, करेक्ट?
या बट मैंने एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट विशेष सूचना देने के लिए मैं फोन कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा,
और एक लोगों तक ये बात पहुँचाने एक निवेदन भी है कि अभी थैंक्सगिविंग का ये मौसम है. सो ग्रेटिट्यूड, थैंक्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो एक मैसेज जो है कि अभी कोरोना है, पेंडेमिक, इसके कारण लाइक पीपल आर डिफरेंटली इम्पैक्टेड एंड द चैरिटीज, नॉन प्रॉफिट, दे आर मोर ह्यूजली इम्पैक्टेड. सो अभी ईयर एंड में लोग टैक्स प्लानिंग करते हैं. तो अगेन डिस्क्लेमर, स्पष्टीकरण, आई एम नॉट ए टैक्स कंसल्टेंट बट दिस इज I work for a non-profit, or I love a non-profit. तो मैंने ये मैसेज लोगों को देने के लिए, ये संदेश देने के लिए किया है कि मार्च में केयर्स एक्ट पास हुआ पैंडेमिक के लिए, रिलीफ के लिए. तो उसमें you can deduct up to $300 on your gross income. Not जैसे पहले क्या करते थे कि आइटमाइज करने के बाद आप you can deduct your charitable contribution. But this new thing which was passed, it allows you to take up to $300 donation you have made on your gross income. So ये आप जैसे it typically says like cash, but it can also be made to through a check or credit card. But the only constraint is you should have given this to a 501c3 organization.
Excellent. And
so
बोलिए.
तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ लोगों को कि charities are hard hit. So and then if you are planning to for your tax file the tax next year, so अगर आप $300 दे देंगे up to whatever it's your hard desire, whatever you want to give, you can get it up to $300. And so मैंने ये निवेदन है कि अगर आप, and typically what happens is they are mostly high expensive players and high income two partners working. So usually the income average income is high. So this is going to help them. So nivedan hai ki give generously to our charities, not necessarily on to, of course I would like them to donate to Pragya, but or bhi aapke hai to you can donate to any charity you want. But take the advantage of this to reduce your taxes and also do something good, get some gratitude, give gratitude at this time of Thanksgiving. So ये मेरा मैसेज है, ये मेरा निवेदन है.
Wonderful. क्या मैसेज था? Wonderful. Before Thanksgiving, only give Thanksgiving message. That is wonderful.
Exactly.
And yes, Baranjan, if you feel the urge to donate for an organization called Pragya, make sure you go to the website pragya.org and probably you can donate from there as well. You don't have to do cash donation, write a check. You can go to that link and actually pay through PayPal as well if you want it.
Yes, and another thing that I also want to tell you, Bindujan, is that Facebook does give us the option to raise funds without charging the non-profits any donation. What do you call the transaction fee? So there is a fundraiser for Pragya on Facebook on the Pragya page. If you go look for fundraisers, you can actually donate there as well. I do have a fundraiser that we created for Mahima ji's birth anniversary. So please do donate generously if you can. because this year has been a really hard year for many non-profits. And but the great thing about Pragnya, and I I must say this about all the allies and allies like Pranab ji and Jayesh ji and Falgun ji and all these people who have stepped up and who have doubled the number of connections, meaning when people who are isolated, जिनको actually already society से थोड़ा seclude किया जाता है क्योंकि they cannot express themselves, and because they have special needs, a lot of times they are forgotten by many of us. These people are further isolated because of COVID, and the fear that अगर इनको कुछ हो जाए, they will not be able to express themselves or advocate for themselves. That's another fear that many people have. But through virtual programming and through physically distanced, safe protocol practicing events, Pragnya has doubled the number of connections and has increased the number of people that they're serving during this time. So please do think about donating to Pragnya. If you have an Amazon account and you're ordering things for the holidays, please choose Pragnya as your charity of choice. And also on December 1st, Bandhujan, 1 week from today, December 1st, it's called Giving Tuesday. So there's going to be a match by Facebook for all the funds that people donate. So the first $10 million or something, Facebook is going to do a dollar-to-dollar match for the first $10 million. It gets over in like less than 5 minutes. But if you do donate first thing in the morning when it opens up at, I think, 5 a.m., then you actually can make sure that Pragnya does get some amount. There is a good chance that we could get some funds towards it.
Right. And again, thank you so much, sir, for bringing it up.
Also, also I want to mention clearly here is just because I said something, don't trust that. Please research online or talk to your tax consultant, and you will see that, with a higher income, charitable donation does reduce your outstanding taxes. So but don't take my word for it. Do your own research.
Wow. Please do that. And he's so humble to say that, but I will tell you one thing, Ranjan, do what I say, listen to what he's saying. Thank you so much.
अब बात कर सकते हैं ठंडे की.
ये गरम टॉपिक लेके आप ठंडा कर दें वापस. Okay, come on. हाँ, तो बताइए. Let's see. What is your preference of weather? Thanda, garam.
What do you prefer?
Hot.
Hot? Seriously?
I can't imagine.
I would think that he would.
It should not be on the extreme end of the spectrum. But गर्मी में क्या होता है, you don't have to think twice before getting out of home कि अरे jacket लूँ, ये लूँ. और ठंड में क्या है, you have to watch out for a lot more things. But गर्मी में क्या है, you can just go off with the t-shirt. And I like wearing t-shirt and v-neck. You know why? So
I don't know why, but anyway, it's okay.
because डोले शोले दिखना है ना, तो
लेकिन प्रणव जी डोले शोले छोड़ो, ठंडी के मौसम में और पास आने का मौका मिलता है, right? बहाना मिलता है, right?
I was thinking
to cozy up more.
I was telling you, we're going to analyze the fact that you're saying this contrary to your nature generally.
Exactly.
I would think you're a person who likes to get cozy with your loved one.
Yeah.
बहाना मिल जाएगा ना.
It's basically ease. Like you don't have to think like jacket full gaya, ye full gaya. गर्मी में you're more like free at your will. So but ठंड में क्या है, probably I don't know, food tastes better.
Sir.
And then
sir, ठंडी के मौसम में जैकेट की जरूरत नहीं होती है सर.
देखो कुछ यहाँ ऑन एयर में थोड़ा सा संयम रखो.
नहीं, मैंने बोला हीटर लगवा लो. क्या हो माय गॉड सर, आपका दिमाग ना फालतू जैसे हो गया अभी. मैं पता ठंडी के वजह से you don't require all those things, require heater on. मतलब हीटर ऑन कर लो.
देखो तुम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो और आंसर सुनो, तो आंसर में और कुछ घुमा फिरा मत करो.
लेकिन सर मेरा पॉइंट वही है कि सर्दी में ठंडा है, जब ठंडी लगती है ना
सर,
तो जैकेट की जरूरत नहीं होती है.
हाँ सर.
अरे देखो, हाँ बोलो तुम.
मैं बात करती हूँ. आपको मालूम है ना, इतना अच्छा ज्ञान एक गाने में ही है. सर कैलियो खटिया चढ़ा लगे.
वो गाने सब अदर एंड ऑफ एक्सट्रीम है मैं स्पेक्ट्रम के, तो वो सब गाने मुझे पसंद है, बट अच्छे बहुत तुम खोजने के लिए बहुत अच्छे गाने भी हैं।
सर आप गाना छोड़ो सर, गाना आई अंडरस्टैंड टोटली, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट गाने का मैसेज ले लो। गाना छोड़ो, गाना ऑफ कोर्स कुड बी दैट वे ओनली, बट
तो प्रणव जी आप कोई गाना सजेस्ट करने वाले थे हमें?
हाँ,
एक तो बहुत अच्छा गाना अभी आई थिंक तुमने बजा दिया हो।
कौन सा वाला? सक्कर खटिया अभी बजाया
नहीं ठंडी हवा ये चांदनी जवानी, बट इधर एक और लता मंगेशकर का बहुत ही अच्छा गाना है, तो वेरी मीनिंगफुल। इट डजंट हैव टू बी लाइक ए ठंडा वेदर, बट इट्स लाइक कोल्ड, जस्ट कोल्ड वेव्स कैन
हाँ गा के बताओ।
मेक यू रिमेंबर somebody like कैसे है जब तेरी ठंडी हवा।
हाँ, it's a beautiful song.
Right?
आपके लिए लगा देंगे बाद में।
meaningful song. It does not mean कि तुम 10 जैकेट पहन के तो ये गाना गाओगे। Just like
नहीं सर, मेरा गाना पहला सुनिएगा, बाद में उसको लगाएंगे एनीवेज। Dedicated to you and Deepa there everywhere, no? All the way in Montreal.
जो गाना ये भी बता रहे हैं ना आलतू बाबा, उस गाने में भी सीख है। जब चली ठंडी हवा, ओके, जब झुकी गुटी काली घटा, मुझको है जाने वफा तुम याद आए, तो विच मी
याद आने में और पास आने में अलग बहुत डिफरेंस है।
Yeah, so it is a good meaning, right? When you are in good weather, you definitely want your significant other to be around you.
Exactly.
Around ही कितने याद की बात करता है। याद
और भी एक और गाना भी है बहुत अच्छा है।
कौन सा वाला?
कौन सा?
इन्हीं का है, लता जी का है।
हाँ,
ठंडी हवाएं लहरा के आए, खुलती है जवां उनको यहाँ कैसे बुलाए।
Is it बुलाए या बुलाए?
Yeah, same, उनको यहाँ कैसे बुलाए, exactly. So I think भाव है, but you get the point.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, we get the point.
मालूम है सर, मतलब आप तो तो मैं समझा
सर, वो क्या है ना सर, कालियो खटिया डायरेक्ट टू द पॉइंट है, ठंडी हवाएं पॉलिश्ड।
आप घुमा फिरा क्या रहे हो?
I have a right to remain silent.
Not incriminate yourself, yes.
We know sir, we know. अंदर की बात हमें सब मालूम है। Hey, but
no comment.
Pranab ji, thank you so much for calling us. सुनते रहेगा, we got one more call waiting and see what they have to say. Okay?
Thank you so much, Pranab ji. Thank you so much for calling.
नमस्कार, आपका हाल स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठंडा ट्यूसडे में। Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम ठंडे ट्यूसडे में मैं राज लखोटिया बोल रहा हूँ।
अरे राज लखोटिया जी, कैसे हैं सर?
बहुत अच्छे। क्या बढ़िया थीम है, ठंड के मौसम में बिल्कुल ठंडा।
तो बताइए आपका प्रेफरेंस क्या है, ठंडा या गर्म?
मैं मेनली इसलिए कॉल किया था मैंने, जो प्रणब जी ने जो बोला ना, मैं सुन रहा था सारी बातें उनकी, और मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि उन्होंने जो कहा बिल्कुल ठीक है। एज ए टैक्स कंसल्टेंट, ये $300 का डिडक्शन जो है ना, अबव द लाइन है ये नया है साल, इट्स न्यू दिस थिंग, यू नो, ये पहले कभी नहीं था। नॉर्मली वो उसमें होता है आइटमाइज्ड डिडक्शंस में, तो वो तो उसके बिना भी हो सकता है अप टू दैट अमाउंट।
Oh wow!
And thank you so much for sharing that with our bandhus on air, Rajji. And yes, but then sure. Rajji himself is a tax consultant. He actually has advised you to. He is endorsing the particular statement
that Pranab ji just said. Yes.
And yes. So I still will require. If you still want to actually get more information, you feel free to go and research also about that, guys.
Yeah. Go ahead,
Definitely.
Yeah.
चलो, ठंडे में ठंड का गाना मैंने बता दिया, आपने लाइन में लगा दिया, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
बताइए ना। हाँ बताइए कौन सा वाला?
मैंने बताया ना आपको गाना।
कौन सा?
सरकाई लो खटिया जाड़ा लगे, सरकाई लो खटिया जाड़ा लगे,
जाड़े में बलमा प्यारा लगे। सर ऐसा गाना वैसा गाना है कि ऐसा ही गाना है, तो सुनिएगा। एंड मौसम के ऊपर अच्छा है, एंड पीपल लिसनिंग राइट नाउ कैन एक्चुअली टेक इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम हियर।
वैसे आपने ये नहीं बताया सर कि आपको ठंडा मौसम पसंद है कि गर्म? व्हाट्स योर प्रेफरेंस?
मुझे कैलिफोर्निया की ठंड पसंद है मुझे। न्यूयॉर्क की उधर की ठंड पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ की ठंड बहुत अच्छी लगती है मेरे को।
वेरी गुड।
सो ठंडा, फर्स्ट वोट फॉर ठंडा।
वोट फॉर ठंडा।
Okay, very good.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. I saw your message that you have donated to Pragna and you want to encourage other bandhus too. Thank you so much, Rajiv.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, man. Yeah, मैंने encourage करने को Let other bandus, let them donate generously, and it's a very good cause.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really means a lot to us. Thank you so much for all the support and all the wonderful participation on our shows. तो आपके लिए वो गाना जरूर lined up है, तो आप भी सरकार लिए
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं राजी कुछ लोग होते हैं कि गाना सुनने के बेताब है, लेकिन मैं गाना लगाने के लिए बेताब हूँ.
क्या बात
सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा सर. हो जाएगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चन, राज्य का हुक्म सलाखों पर लीजिएगा पेशे गोविंदा के ऊपर करिश्मा. मतलब
करिश्मा और गोविंदा पे फिल्म आया क्या बोल रहा है?
गाना सरकाइलो
तकिया प्यारा लगे, कर काए ले ओ तकिया, ओ सर काए ले ओ तकिया जाड़ा लगे, सर काए ले ओ तकिया जाड़ा लगे, जाड़े में बलमा प्यारा लगे, सर काए ले ओ खटिया जाड़ा लगे, सर काए ले ओ तकिया जाड़ा लगे. कोई शोला सा भड़के, सुई चुभे कोई शोला सा भड़के, माने न पैरी जिया मोरा धड़के, ठुकरा होता ही बचिया जाड़ा लगे, हो सरकाइलो हो खटिया जाड़ा लगे, ओ सरकाइलो तकिया जाड़ा लगे.
You gotta hand it to Karishma Kapoor. Karishma Kapoor is the only person who actually compliment his dance.
And who
Raveena Tandon also.
Really?
Yeah.
Gee, Raveena Tandon looks very...
Neelam could not keep up with him at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Neelam also was a good dancer, but...
No, with him they could not keep up. I think Raveena Tandon, that movie, what's that song? What is your style number? What is mobile number? Hoga fir aana jana. Whatever, something like that thing. That song also, she's done a good job.
I thought that's her in
No,
What
it's
is
not.
Your Style Number.
Oh, Gore Gore Mukheda pe Kala Kala Chashma is her, right?
No, man.
Okay, whatever, Father. You're talking about Thanda. Why are you talking about those themes right now?
I know.
What is your digressing
You
topic?
started it, rascal.
I just said that Karishma Kapoor has danced very well. She was actually one of the people who are good dancers. Right? Unlike, but the only thing is when you compare it with Madhuri Dixit, who is a little bit shorter, Madhuri Dixit seems more graceful than her. That's all.
Exactly.
So, Vadhujan, aaj Thanda Tuesday baat kare. We're talking about the changing weather and whether you like to have a Thanda weather or garam weather, because some of us actually are driving down there to different places where they can find different weathers.
Right, exactly.
I kid you not, but people actually are making those trips.
Yes.
Against the whatever wish of the CDC also. People are traveling. Oh, seriously, People are traveling. People taking air flights and going all those things. No, doing all the stuff that people are doing it. Anyway, it's like, oh, Khalli Wali, it's okay, it's fine.
So actually, Meenakshi ji, we haven't heard from you. We'd love to hear from you because you're in an area where it's very, very thanda right now. So we'd like to know what your thoughts are. 408-912-2479. उन्होंने बोला फालतू नहीं फ्लाइट पकड़ के आजा, we will chill. Just chill. Just chill.
देखो अगर chill करना है तो मैं दोस्त रेस्टोरेंट है. He's got a walk-in freezer. I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Like a chill
actually, it's a nice feeling to walk into a walk-in freezer. You know that, Badjar?
Yes, if you've never done that, but it's actually a good feeling. But when you get locked inside, it's even worse.
Then it's then no.
And actually, walking into a freezer in the early morning.
Oh my God!
Early morning and trying to get stuff out of the freezer. You will not be able to feel your fingers.
You won't be able to feel anything.
I'm not kidding, Bharjan. I have done it.
You won't feel your nose. For me, it used to happen. Nose and my fingers. I would never be able to feel when I was, you're pulling those puff pastry sheets and all that stuff out, right? So, oh my God.
Trying to say that she actually, all the stuff, Faltani, it's got a way of pushing it into the agenda, right?
Yeah.
क्या करती थी Faltani? Oh my God.
मैं बहुत सारी चीजें करती थी
लेकिन आज कुछ भी नहीं करती है.
तो बदजान आपको कॉल करना है, बताना है do you prefer hot or cold in terms of weather. आपको कॉल करना है 408-912-2479. We'd love to hear from you and find out how many of you. So far we have 1, 2, 3 votes for
5, 6.
hot, and we have only one, actually including me, 2 votes for cold.
Yes, I have not voted because when I vote, the winning side will automatically take it and go.
Oh, really?
I beat to everybody else.
No, Badajan, this is what you call the Trumpster confidence.
What is that?
Where you think that even if you're losing...
It's not called Trumpster, it's called dumpster confidence.
That's true, actually. So the number to call us at the studio is 408-912-2479. Dekhte hain whether hot weather wins over cold weather. I have a feeling because we're in California...
Everybody's going to be voting blue.
We'll be voting for hot. Blue, it seems.
Oh, sorry, the election
is over. Voting ho gaya haal tumhara?
Election will be done.
Elections are done already.
Oh my God, I miss elections already. I'm going to miss Trump already. All those wonderful 3 a.m. tweets.
Okay. So the number again, 408-912-2479. Jaldi call.
What will American comedy TV shows, what will they do right now? All the talk shows now, what will they do? They have no content.
There will be a lot of content. Don't worry. Trump is not going to go out of the... you think that he's not going to go out of the fodder, compound. The media fodder. There's no way. He's already announced his 2024 run.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He did? You think he'll win?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Why will he win?
You never know. 70 million people voted for him.
76.5 million people voted for Biden against him.
That's
so be quiet.
6 or 7 can always sway back to him.
No, it won't.
Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के ठंडा ट्यूसडे में we talk about everything including politics. Who's this? Hi.
Hi, Pam Pam.
Oh my God, कैसे हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया
है ना? तो ठंडा मौसम आप एंजॉय कर रहे हो?
हाँ, बढ़िया एकदम.
So you actually are there in Boston because you like cold weather.
Oh yes, I like cold weather.
That's why you're there.
Yeah, woo.
Lekin Boston is blessed with actually all kinds of weather, right? Isn't that true?
हाँ. Boston
में
weather enjoy करते हैं हम.
Summer आता है
हमारा सारा wardrobe use हो जाता है.
Correct, exactly. That's what I've heard. I've never been in that part of the world actually. People say like there you can actually starting from summer wear you can go all the way to winter wear.
And you can actually wear spring dresses when it's spring.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
How will you sit down if you have spring dresses on? Won't you stand up immediately?
What?
Boing.
What? The dresses don't spring.
Okay.
I'm talking about dresses that you wear during spring.
Oh.
Waste fellow, कुछ भी बोलेगा आलतू.
अरे मेरा तो बस एक ही मौसम है, Walmart. Actually, it's a sorry thing, Madhuri. My change of weather is with the wardrobe change. What do you call those things? The fashion change inside Walmart.
Oh God. Whatever, Altu Baba.
1 month before Thandi season, they'll bring out all the jackets out. And 1 month before the Thandi season gets over, they take the jackets out.
Right.
They force you to plan ahead, by the way.
Altu, stop, man.
What?
Okay.
Meenakshi is taking the topic somewhere else. Meenakshi, what is your total
What? She didn't take anywhere.
मैं हमेशा topic कहीं और ही ले जाती हूँ.
हाँ यार, बहुत good at it. You're very good at it, by the way. God bless you.
हाँ.
और मीनाक्षी क्या हाल चाल है बताइए? How is the weather in Boston? अभी तो ठंडी चल रही है, 30 degrees हो गई है.
हाँ, ठंडी चल रही है, अच्छी वाली ठंड हो गई है.
हाँ. But आप कितने साल से ऐसे weather में हैं?
हाँ, हमें हो गए हैं लगभग 6 साल.
And is it like snowing and everything? Have your snow boots and all that come out?
Oh yes, yes. Not yet. Like अभी केवल Halloween पे थोड़ा सा snowfall हुआ था.
हाँ.
Okay.
Last year बिल्कुल snowfall नहीं था. Hardly 3 or 4 times हुआ था. तो last year बिल्कुल ठंड नहीं थी. We are expecting कि इस year we can see more snow.
अरे हो जाएगा टेंशन मत लो. अभी हम यहाँ से गर्म कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे हवा आने तक ठंडा हो जाएगा. Don't worry. By the way, you never know. Now she's listening to us in that area, right? Oh, that also can happen, Fatrani.
Yeah. उल्टा हो रहा है ना.
We take total credit for global warming, by the way, because we heat up the airwaves.
Yes, exactly. Sorry, what to do. Yeah. लेकिन ये बताइए कि आपने बोला ठंडा वेदर आपको पसंद है, तो ऐसा कोई गाना जो आपको इस वेदर में सुनने को मन करता है?
ऐसा कोई गाना?
हाँ, या हमने बजा दिया.
हाँ, मैंने ऑलरेडी बजा दिया. आपका फेवरेट गाना बजा दिया.
कौन सा वाला?
सरकार लो खटिया.
जबरदस्ती.
बहुत जबरदस्ती. नहीं किसी ने मांगा. आपने से कोई बंदा कॉन्ट्री मांगा.
सारी चीजें फेवरेट बना देते हो आलतू बाबा सबकी.
क्या? अरे दीपा का फेवरेट था. आपका भी फेवरेट होगा. दीपा आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, राइट?
आपने नहीं देखा क्या? दीपा डांस में इमोजी लगा रही है. सरकार लो खटिया.
मैंने देखा.
हाँ, तो आई थॉट इवन शी आल्सो डांस. कल बताया ना आपने कि आप भी डांस कर लेते हो कभी-कभार. हाँ. अच्छा तो लगा ना, तो लगाया बस गाना.
हाँ, ठीक है. चलो आलतू बाबा ने बोल दिया, लगा दिया.
अरे नहीं चलो नहीं, छोड़ो. आप बताओ, आपका फेवरेट गाना बताओ.
नहीं मुझे मेरे जहन में ऐसा कोई गाना है नहीं जो ठंडी के मौसम में गाया जाए.
देखा दिस इज द मोस्ट इग्नोर्ड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा. the lyrics is not focusing on मौसम फालतू. they are focusing on मौसम
है ना,
but not ठंडा का मौसम.
एक गाना है जो मीनाक्षी जी गाती होंगी.
Oh really?
हाँ, एक बहुत क्यूट गाना है जो मैंने महिमा जी को गाते हुए सुना था. and I didn't know that this was actually a song
until I told you, right?
No man, be quiet. I was the one who remembered. You didn't even remember the song.
Excuse me, Faltoni.
Be quiet. It's not you.
Faltoni, मालूम है कलयुग है. Doesn't mean that you got to talk like this about your guru, यार. Doesn't matter. You know what? I want you to be successful.
I'm talking about my guru Mahima ji. Don't you dare dispute that.
वो तो हम सबके गुरु हैं, लेकिन मैं तो अब तेरा वो क्या बोलते हैं, टीए ना, टीचर असिस्टेंट.
टीए?
हाँ.
Never mind, आलतू बाबा. मैं ना
ऐसे बताओ फालतू नहीं.
ये आपके लिए ये गाना है, बहुत क्यूट गाना है.
यार ये तो गाना डेफिनेटली आप गौर से सुनिएगा. हाँ. गौर के साथ सुनिएगा. सॉरी.
Exactly, ये आपके मन में चल रहा होगा जब आप बैठे थे वो लव सीट में.
अच्छा, I want to ask you one thing. जो आप बॉस्टन में ठंड पड़ती है तो मतलब will you be sitting with a, have you tried sitting with a hot cup of coffee or
hot chocolate?
हाँ, तब स्नो होता है ना, तो विंडो के पास बैठ जाओ, हॉट चॉकलेट या हॉट कॉफी लेके. तो
फायरप्लेस
केवल एक ड्राइविंग खराब लगती है. हमें ड्राइव करना इज वेरी रिस्की. वो मुझे सबसे खराब लगता है. उसके अलावा सब चीजें पसंद है.
एंड देन हॉट चॉकलेट के अंदर आप गरम पकोड़े डिप करके खाना.
पकोड़े नहीं यार, मार्शमेलो लगा.
हैव यू ट्राइड पकोड़ा विद हॉट चॉकलेट?
नो यार.
फालतू डोंट नॉक.
अब ट्राई करके बताऊंगी आलतू.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. तो व्हाट यू शुड डू इज पकोड़ा तलिएगा बाद में, और जामुन का शीरा जो है ना उसके ऊपर डालिएगा, पकोड़े के ऊपर. एंड देन पकोड़े को लेके डिप.
क्या होता है
वो ना, जामुन का सिरप.
स्वीट. हाँ, उसको शीरा बोलते हैं. हाँ. जो स्वीट वाटर होता है ना, वो थिक होता है ना, एंड वो आप इसके ऊपर लगा के देन यू टेक. ओके फाइन, यू आल्सो कैन यूज मेपल सिरप इफ यू वांट इट. एंड पकोड़े को बट डोंट पुट चाट मसाला इन दैट प्लीज. हाँ, चाट मसाला रूल्स होता है.
अब मैं बिल्कुल ये रेसिपी तैयार रखूंगी जब आप कभी आओगे आलतू.
अरे हाँ, थैंक यू. हाँ, मैं बस ऐसे बहुत सारे आड़े रेसिपी है.
हाँ,
मेरे को आइडिया आ गया फालतू रानी.
क्या?
People don't know about this kind of wonderful things in life.
No, thank you. They don't need to.
These are a few of my favorite things. बोल के वीडियो सीरीज करने वाला हूँ मैं भी. Very good. आप तो यार मीनाक्षी जी, I'm telling you, आपका पॉजिटिव जो इन्फ्लुएंस है ना, मस्त है यार. जब भी आप आते हो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. and of course I also come up with nice ideas.
हाँ.
These are a few of my favorite things. बोल के गाना लगाने वाला.
तो Altu Baba is going to make a video series. Thanks to you.
Hot chocolate pakoda with sheera.
Yeah. Oh God, like that he'll come up.
आलतू बाबा मैं सच में खिलाने वाली हूँ जब आप आओगे तो देखना.
अरे यार नहीं खिलाओगे तो मैं खुद बनवा के खा के जाऊंगा. डोंट वरी. बना के खा के जाऊंगा. डोंट वरी.
तेरे को जामुन बनाना नहीं आता है, तू चुप.
मेरे को जामुन बनाता है. आई मेक आलू जामुन. हैव यू ट्राइड मेकिंग आलू जामुन? पोटैटो जामुन बोलते हैं उसको. हाँ, माय मॉम यूज्ड टू मेक इट. शी हैड अ वंडरफुल कांसेप्ट. या पोटैटो जामुन.
Whatever.
जामुन मतलब क्या?
जामुन गुलाब जामुन जो होती है ना, जनरली वो बनता है खोए के साथ ना. खोए के बदले में you also can use रवा. या
रवा के बनते हैं।
हाँ, रवा, हाँ,
गुलाब जामुन बनते हैं।
So उसमें अगर आपने पोटैटो डाल दिया ना, पोटैटो कैन मिक्स अप एंड बिकम स्मॉल बॉल, फ्राइड एंड ईट इट, वंडरफुल बात है, बहुत टेस्टी होता है।
अच्छा,
या डोंट वरी, अरे मेरे पास बहुत सारे आटे तेरे बहुत रेसिपीज है, डोंट वरी।
आप एक रेसिपी बुक बना दो।
अरे डन,
डन हो, मतलब पूरे दुनिया में छा जाओगे।
या यस, अरे और ओके फाइन, अगर आप बोले आप इंजस्ट करोगे तो डेफिनेटली।
हाँ। ऐसे उसके लिए आलतू बाबा का YouTube चैनल फॉलो करो आप।
But by the way, I only will make vegetarian dishes, okay? I mean, actually, sorry.
हाँ, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन हूँ।
क्या बात है, really?
फर्स्ट कॉपी मुझे ही भेज देना आप।
अरे आप वेजिटेरियन?
मैं सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लूंगी।
तो आपको you must try my vegetarian chicken masala.
ठीक है, आप मुझे सारी रेसिपीज प्लीज भेजना, मैं बना के।
आलतू बाबा, तू ना थोड़ा ज्यादा ही क्रिएटिव हो रहा है, रहने दे।
आज जब ठंडी के मौसम में जब ऐसा मग पकड़ के बैठूंगा ना, मेरे को क्रिएटिविटी ऐसे फ्लो होता है।
प्लीज, कोई जरूरत नहीं है, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत हो गया। क्या रैंडम कुछ भी बोलता जा रहा है, वेस्ट फेलो। अच्छा, मीनाक्षी जी को एक गाना डेडिकेट करेंगे ना, जो वो गाएंगी।
आप बस ये गाना सुनिएगा फुल ब्लास्ट में।
हाँ, और गौर साहब के साथ,
गौर के साथ सुनिएगा।
हाँ, और
मजा आएगा।
गौर,
हाँ, बच्चों को बाहर भेज दीजिएगा कुछ लेके आने के लिए, मतलब ग्रोसरी स्टोर।
हाँ,
या नेबर के पास भेज दो।
तो ये गाना है फ्रॉम द मूवी मैं सुंदर हूँ।
अरे वाह, तो तेरे लिए आप है।
हाँ, क्या?
हाँ, तो बोलना पड़ेगा तेरे को ना, मैं सुंदर हूँ।
तो बिस्वजीत और लीना चंद्रवारकर पे फिल्माया गया है ये गाना। सुनिएगा मीनाक्षी जी, अच्छा गाना है, ठंडी के मौसम में आपको काम आएगा।
आपको यहाँ पे कैलिफोर्निया आना मालूम नहीं, लेकिन मूड में जरूर आओगे। हाँ, सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा, ठीक है?
एंजॉय, हियर यू गो। थैंक यू मीनाक्षी जी, हैव अ गुड वन, बाय बाय।
ठीक है फातुरानी, ओए हाय पलजान, सुपर डुपर सॉन्ग। आराम से अगर ड्राइव करें तो प्लीज फोकस ऑन द रोड्स, या अगर आपके साथ में आपकी माशुका बेटी है तो बैठे रहने दो, चलेगा। आप फोकस करो रोड पे, या आप पुल ओवर कर लेना। या दिखाओ।
मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा। मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा। न जा, न जा, न जा, न जा।
आग दिल में लगी है, मेरे पास तू न आ। आग दिल में लगी है, मेरे पास तू न आ। न आ, न आ, न आ, न आ।
मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा।
आशा भोसले और मोहम्मद रफ़ी की आवाज़ में सुनिएगा शंकर जयकिशन का ये कॉम्पोजिशन फ्रॉम द मूवी मैं सुंदर हूँ। फिल्माया गया है बिस्वजीत और लीना चंद्रवारकर पे।
आग और पानी का संगम हो तो क्या अंजाम हो। आग और पानी का संगम हो तो क्या अंजाम हो।
नाम दोनों का जमाने में बहुत बदनाम हो। हाँ 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 हाँ। नाम दोनों का जमाने में बहुत बदनाम हो। हाँ 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 हाँ।
जो बदनामी का डर था तो फिर प्यार क्यों किया। मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा। न जा, न जा, न जा, न जा।
आग दिल में लगी है, मेरे पास तू न आ। दूर रहना चाहिए थोड़ा सा मुलाकात में। हाँ 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 हाँ। थोड़ा सा मुलाकात में, हाँ 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 हाँ।
क्या कहा फिर से तो कहना, हाथ लेकर हाथ में, ओहो ओहो ओहो। क्या कहा फिर से तो कहना, हाथ लेकर हाथ में,
होश में रहने दे, मत होश न बना, आग दिल में लगी है मेरे पास, तू न आ न आ न आ न आ न आ।
मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा। क्या करूं होठों पे इस दिल के फसाने आ गए, ओहो ओहो ओहो। क्या करूं होठों पे इस दिल के फसाने आ गए, आहा आहा आहा।
ओ मुलाकातों में तुझको 100 बहाने आ गए, हे 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 हे। दो मुलाकातों में तुझको 100 बहाने आ गए, हे हे ओ हो।
लोग सुनते हैं सारे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, मुझको ठंड लग रही है, मुझसे दूर तू न जा न जा न जा न जा न जा।
Now these are realistic songs, Faltani, because otherwise I can't imagine these songs where 80s, 90s, dark ages in cinema, no connection with logic. You will have a lady wearing a chiffon sari, possibly wearing sandals, sometimes even bare feet, on snow, and acting like as though everything is fine. They'll not talk about the weather.
And she'll be singing Tere Mere Hooton Pe. A very nice song, but
it is not a nice song, I'm sorry.
It is a nice song.
No. Okay, whatever, fine, debatable.
Yeah.
The point is, देखो ऐसे गाने में मजा आता है, मतलब you actually know, हाँ, you can visualize that, okay, there was thunder there. Probably are feeling that cold. Obviously, you'll feel cold, right? Imagine, dude, Bandujan, if at all you go into Switzerland, Faltani wants to do it anyway. She's going to go there, wear chiffon sari, I believe. She's going
yes,
to dance.
Bandujan, I will do that. God willing, Insha Ganesh, Inshallah, everything.
After that 2 days, you'll be like, Atishu, Atishu.
अबे पूरे टाइम ऐसे थोड़ी ना होंगी, सिर्फ फोटो के लिए। नहीं तो पूरा ढक के, मतलब wearing coat, sweater, everything, and I'll wear boots. I'm not going to wear like chappal.
That is not going to be considered at all. You got to wear chappal or barefoot, like how Sridevi was.
What nonsense! Have you seen Aidil-e-Mushkil? She wears boots with sari.
So you just want to do what Aidil-e-Mushkil does?
No, she copied. I don't know how Karan Johar got that idea. Yeah,
from Azwani, obviously, what is?
Yeah, seriously, that's something.
Hey, but I think everybody wants to do it. Karan Johar also wants to do it in chiffon sari. But
see, I think great minds think alike.
I have a feeling Karan Johar did it actually.
Huh?
Yeah.
He must have. Wear a chiffon sari? Are you kidding me?
What? Why not? What is this? You have issue against him wearing saris now?
Well, I'm not talking about Karan Johar wearing saris. Altu Baba, tu भटको मत यार तुम टॉपिक से.
भटको नहीं, भटकाओ मत बोलो.
भटक रहा है तू.
भटक रहा जो तू भटक रही है, मैं भटका रहा हूँ.
भटक रहा नहीं, सुन रहा है नहीं, वो नहीं बैठेगा प्रास में.
अच्छा,
anyway, प्रणब जी, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? पुराना गाना नहीं है, ये गाने अनसुने हैं, right?
हाँ, अनसुने गाने.
These are like songs that not many people have heard and don't receive a lot of play. And वो कह रहे हैं वो भी a naughty song it seems, आलतू बाबा. Yeah, naughty song नहीं है. It is exactly meant for the weather and it's the de-hotty song, sir. क्या बोल रहा है आलतू?
I'm trying to see some recommendations coming up on text. I don't want that. Please put it on Facebook, please.
क्या?
Yes. Recommendations आ रही है काफी सारे.
अच्छा, कौन
One more recommendation from the love of his life. ठंडी हवा काली घटा. हाँ, आ जाएगा. We don't. We have the lined up already.
We have that, yes.
And आ ही गई झूम के. क्या? he goes a song which is about thandi मौसम. You never know.
किसने बोला? क्या बोला?
अरे suggestions आ रही है यार. People are actually having phonophobia. They're actually suggesting on online thing.
Yeah.
But anyway, call Bhajan 4089122479 पे. We have 2 votes for the thanda मौसम and 3 votes for garam मौसम. People are saying that they prefer to have.
Now, you know, a nation wants to know, it seems, Altu Baba. Meenakshi ji is saying, Altu Baba, आपको कौन सा weather पसंद है? बताइए ना, बताया नहीं.
Definitely.
The nation wants to know.
Yes.
Wait, you gotta tell us, Altu Baba.
Yes, बताऊंगा. देखो, गर्मी का मौसम होता है, गर्मी का मौसम. जहाँ पे हीट होता है, people are going to be
वो सब हमें मालूम है.
And ठंडी का मौसम होता है जहाँ पे ठंडी होती है, मतलब people wear jackets, sweaters and everything. Right? अभी आगे बताऊंगा after this particular break.
क्या? The nation wants to know. Stay tuned. No, but there's no break. If we had a break, we would have played it.
I will never say something without reason, Father. If break is going to a caller. Darling, namaskar. आपका हाल स्वागत है ठंडा Tuesdays में. Who is this?
Hello, Pam.
Hello, ठंडा cool.
Oh my God, Deepa, कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आलतो बाबा, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो ये सब?
क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ, फोनोफोबिया. मैंने कॉल तो किया था ना.
कॉल किया था.
नहीं, मैं आपके बारे में थोड़ी बोल रहा था. क्या everything is all about you, यार?
You read my comment and you said that.
No, I read the comment of Panda.
इसीलिए नहीं, वो गाना मैंने फिर ठंडी हवा काली घटा आ ही गई झूम के प्यार में ये na. That's the song.
See, I wanted you to come and sing the song on air. But you don't do it because you think like, oh no, does Beyonce ever call in on radio show?
Beyonce, yeah.
She's Beyonce, no?
Oh, Beyonce.
She's Beyonce. She's a Beyonce, मतलब after Beyonce.
हाँ, वो Beyond.
Yeah.
Beyond Bay बोल रहे हो. Beyond Bay.
You are like Beyonce. Play on word, yeah. Come on, isn't that creative? What is this, Deepa? You can say I am Bay Area Beyonce.
ये गाना याद आया मुझे, इसीलिए मैंने बोला.
Now you can say I am Bay Area Beyonce.
Oh God.
हाँ. मतलब she's beyond.
अरे नहीं.
No, you don't want to be Beyonce? Mariah Carey?
No, I don't want to be Beyonce.
How about Mariah Carey?
Curry, it seems. What?
Because Indians speak curry, no?
क्या? कोई हिंदुस्तानी लगी है, नाम नहीं मिलेगा क्या?
Okay, fine. Shilpa Shirodkar. How about that?
Are you?
What?
No.
What?
Oh my God!
Yeah. What? That also a bit picky. Yeah. It's not fair, okay? Shilpa Shirodkar actually had a very sweet voice.
Oh my God!
Yeah, what?
Hey, Alto Baba, नहीं, no.
Okay, so then
अच्छा बाबा, मैं दीपा ही ठीक हूँ, ठीक है?
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
दीपा काफी है.
I thought you wanted Kulbhushan Kharbanda, but that's already taken by Fathrani. When Fathrani has a cold, she sounds like him only.
You forgot to say, no? Underwater.
मैं जब भी बात करता हूँ तो ऐसे sound होती है. Yes. And when he goes underwater, Deepa, that's how he sounds.
दीपा कितना घटिया इंप्रेशन था, उसके लिए तो हंस रही है.
ये मेरा टैलेंट है.
कितना घटिया इंप्रेशन है. ऐसा
My talent is
संभाल के निकल जाएगा.
That is what happens to you when you have a cold, Faltoni.
What nonsense.
Great difficulty, your voice comes out. Right, Deepa? Deepa, agree with me? Yes, Deepa agrees with me. Deepa is laughing.
I was enjoying your impression.
Thank you.
मैं कुलभूषण खरबंदा को इमेजिन कर रही थी मेरे सामने.
Yes, Deepa, think of me with like, you know, the one it's like, ये मेरा pet है, इसका नाम शाकाल है.
Oh God!
Don't you remember the movie Karma, whatever the thing, you know?
I have not seen the movie.
You know, Stan was his movie, right? Stan was his first movie.
ये मगरमच्छ
बस एक ही बार खाता है.
Oh really?
Yes. No, I'm just nothing like, you know. He has a pet in the movie, right? The movie Shan or something, right, Deepa? What is the movie? Movie is called Shan, right?
That was his second movie. नहीं, first movie था क्या नहीं?
हाँ.
Shan.
हाँ.
And
he always praised the thing like, ये अजीब किस्म का जानवर है, is what he'll say. You know that?
सुना ऐसे लगा. एक मिनट मैं बता. No, what nonsense? Nonsense. It sounds like Satish Kaushik trying to do a bad impression of Kulbhushan Kharbanda.
But see, I tell you, that is my talent, Faltoni. That is my talent.
अच्छा.
Yes.
ये बात है.
Okay, anyway, Deepa, this is always jealous of me. Can't help it. Okay, fine. Oh no, Faltoni, it's okay, don't worry. My talent is my talent, फालतू
दीपा ऐसे mediocrity को encourage
ये mediocrity नहीं है. Excuse me.
Okay, हाँ correct. बिना average.
नहीं फालतू रानी, चलो बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती.
Excuse me, I have talent wherein I actually can make somebody else's voice sound like somebody else's.
That's true.
किसी माय का लाल को ये talent है क्या बताओ? Everybody can make them sound like themselves. But I am the only one who can make Jeevan sound like Amitabh Bachchan also.
Oh God!
Radha Rani. Hi, Radha Rani. ये speciality है Radha Rani.
हाँ, yes.
हाँ, पूछो फालतू रानी को पूछो उसको ठंडा मौसम क्यों पसंद है?
क्यों पसंद है? क्योंकि ठंडा मौसम
है। अमिताभ बच्चन की स्टाइल में पूछो आलतू बाबा।
Excuse me, direction मैं ही करूँगा। वाह, सही में दीपा। यहाँ पे कहोगे मेरे को बोल रही है ऐसे करो।
हाँ।
दीपा मेरा मूड पे डिपेंडेंट है।
Actually ये आलतू बाबा और दीपा को
अच्छा दिलखुशन के स्टाइल में पूछो उसको।
क्या पूछना है बाबा?
उसको ठंडा मौसम क्यों पसंद है?
फालतू रानी, तुम्हें ठंडा मौसम क्यों पसंद है?
वो सतीश कौशिक है।
Okay, whatever man. ये दीपा को मजा आ रहा है बस छोड़ो।
नहीं दीपा, तुम अपने स्टाइल में पूछो कि आलतू बाबा तुम्हें कौन सा मौसम पसंद है? सभी the nation wants to know now. दीपा, the nation wants to know. बंधुस want to know.
Yes.
हाँ, दीपा please ask.
आलतू बाबा.
Yes दीपा.
You just tell me. The whole nation wants to know. आपको ठंडा पसंद है या गर्म मौसम पसंद है?
And the nation wants to know.
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
And the nation wants to know. हाँ, तो बोलो दो. बोलो दो. हाँ, बोलो दो.
The nation wants to know.
हाँ, बोलो दो.
The whole Bay Area wants to know. एक मिनट मैं पूछूंगी सवाल. मैं पूछूंगी एक मिनट.
अच्छा हाथ भी बोल दो. Well, but there was actually a play on this thing where Republic Day. Is he back on the screen actually right now, Deepa? Do you
back
know?
on the street?
Screen.
अरे शायद नहीं वो बेल तो मिल गया लेकिन अभी मैंने नहीं देखा.
उसको बेल मिल गया? किसने बना के दिया?
Yeah, he is back, but मैंने अभी रिसेंटली नहीं देखा उसका टेलीकास्ट. I have to see.
हाँ, देख के बताना कैसा है बंदा, okay?
Yes.
भटको मत.
लेकिन अभी हमें जवाब चाहिए आलतू बाबा तुम्हारा.
So I am a person who likes all weathers. I appreciate all weathers. I like cold, hot, wet, dry, everything.
ये जनरल आंसर एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा.
You have to pick one.
No, I actually I like weather like okay. You know what? I'm a total California guy. Yes.
You like hot weather?
No, I like California weather. It's perfect. That's why we pay high taxes here.
California is hot weather.
It is not perfect weather.
Of course.
No chance.
Yes, it's ideal climate for earthquakes.
No chance.
Ideal climate for storms.
California का टैक्स इसीलिए ज़्यादा इधर weather अच्छा है.
Exactly. Yeah. High risk भी है यहाँ पे because you have earthquakes.
So basically, you are saying you like hot weather.
Basically, I'm saying that I am Beyonce.
What? Make up your mind. How much identity crisis? Yeah.
Hey, by the way, I'll tell you. Deepa, the point is.
So people, let me tell you. While the nation wants to know, Altu Baba refuses to divulge it. There is something behind this because I want to tell you that this is the way to deflect. This is how he deflects every question. He never makes a commitment on even weather.
But you must tell me one thing.
This needs to be noted.
You must tell me one thing.
You can trust Faltu Rani to uncover the truth behind this.
You can hide. You can run, but you can't escape.
But tell me one thing. Republic TV. Republic. That's all they can get into the TVs and everything.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's fine.
So you will not tell us what weather you like.
Okay, fine, Faltuni. I like cold weather. Fine, happy? I like it when actually in the woods. I want to go in the woods and live in a cold place where there are wolves and everything or there. I can actually stay in the particular cabin. Okay, where it's like, snowing and everything.
With about 15 dogs.
Not 15 dogs. 2 dogs of mine. Shadow Sunshine. That's I'm happy with it. And then what I will make is...
पुलाव सबको अच्छा लगता है. वो real में अच्छा नहीं लगता.
No, seriously, I like it that way. I can cook in the cabin and eat there and stay there without electricity and everything. Okay. At the same time, the same person who likes to go into the desert as a cowboy and cook beans and eat the thing in the pan. So I'm the kind of person. So I'm totally a little sorry. I like both the weathers. I swing this way and that way also. Why?
Oh God.
Why? Not the way you're thinking, Faltani.
कुछ भी ये सच में कुछ भी आंसर हो गया ये. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया।
फालतू रानी देखो
वो
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी
मीनाक्षी जी,
मैं ऑन एयर आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं। फालतू रानी, मेरा नाम आलतू बाबा है, शो पे आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं।
हाँ, आलतू बाबा, तेरा नाम आलतू बाबा है, तू रेडियो पे आता है, समझ में नहीं।
Exactly. इसलिए मैं समझ के बाहर हूँ।
हाँ,
Yes.
That's right.
And हमारे बे एरिया के बियॉन्ड से है हमारी दीपा जी, मतलब बे एरिया से दूर है, माउंटेन हाउस बहुत दूर है बड़ोजा, इसलिए उसको बियॉन्ड से बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ.
तो जो भी वहाँ से है सब बियॉन्ड से ही हैं।
हाँ.
तो आप भी हमारे बे एरिया के बियॉन्ड से हैं।
हाँ.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड अच्छा लगा आपके कॉल किया आज। Very nice.
हाँ, very nice, very nice.
और अभी मेरा गाना लगाओ।
हाँ?
आपका गाना लगाना?
आपका गाना लगा, कौन सा गाना है?
गाना।
अच्छा ऐसे बोलना, गाना मीन्स शुगरकेन।
मैंने बोला ना,
हाँ.
ठंडी हवा काली घटा आ ही गई झूम के, वो सब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सॉन्ग।
अरे बहुत हाँ, बहुत गाने हैं। एक वो प्रणव जी का गाना लगाना है यार, नहीं तो वो हमने सरकारी लियो खटिया लगा दिया और उनका गाना नहीं लगाया तो वो मार डालेंगे। तो नहीं तो वो छड़ी लेके आ जाएंगे, तो नहीं, प्रणव जी के लिए गाना लगाएंगे।
कौन सा गाना फालतू नहीं?
जब चली ठंडी हवा, वो वाला गाना।
एंड ऑफ कोर्स डेफिनेटली आपका गाना भी लगेगा दीपा जी, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट। ओके
हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच दीपा फॉर कॉलिंग इन एंड वेरी नाइस टू हियर फ्रॉम यू, बट प्लीज इम्प्रूव योर टेस्ट इन इंप्रेशंस।
यस प्लीज।
ये आलतू बाबा का इंप्रेशन प्लीज उसको सराव मत प्लीज।
Hey, come on, सराव की बात नहीं है। She knows what quality is Deepa. Deepa, don't worry. I appreciate you.
She knows what good quality is and she knows me. She also, poor thing, she doesn't understand, like, you know, when it's impressions and how bad you are.
You make a very bad impression, Fatwani. That way I'm better off. You make a bad impression. I make good impressions anyways.
Yeah.
And Deepa, the song is not dedicated to you, but the other song is dedicated.
Oh, yeah, MTV आता था ना वैसे. Yeah, this is MTV only, right? Media Mahima.
Oh, so sweet. God bless you.
Thank you
so much. Bear के Beyonce.
Yeah. Oh, bye.
Bye, Deepa.
Have a good one.
जब उठी काली घटा, मुझको ऐ जाने वफा तुम याद आए।
ये गाना स्पेसिफिकली गोइंग आउट टू आवर प्रणव जी एंड जैसी जी, जो अभी सुन रहे हैं हमें हाथों में हाथ डाल के अपने लिविंग रूम में। होपफुली फैमिली शो है भाई। करेक्शन, फैमिली रूम में, बिकॉज ये फैमिली शो है। जाते जाते आपको एक और ज्ञान देके जाऊंगा बड़जान, क्योंकि ये सभी गाने जो है 80 से पहले हुई थी। 80 से पहले बड़जान, we didn't have the concept of central heating. Now that we have it, we don't require anybody. Just turn the heat on. Yes, बड़जान, and of course जाते जाते हमने प्रॉमिस किया था दीपा जी को कि हम लोग उनका गाना लगाएंगे, लेकिन उनका रिक्वेस्ट वाला गाना लगाएंगे। उनका गाना मतलब आई मेड से हर रिक्वेस्ट गाना तो लगा के जाए फतोनी।
ऑफ कोर्स लगाएंगे एंड इसी गाने के साथ हम आपको छोड़े जाएंगे बुधजान की इस ठंडी वेदर में भी अपने आप को वार्म रखे, दिल को वार्म रखे, ये सोच के कि हमारा प्यार आपके साथ हमेशा है। एंड स्टे इन टच with your loved ones across the globe, anywhere. Please stay socially and emotionally connected,
but physically distanced.
Yes. Good night.
शब्बा खैर
and a प्यार भरा
अगर आप सोचे कौन सी फिल्म का मिस्टर मिस 55 देखा नहीं तो जाके देखिएगा। It's a wonderful matinee watch with the family. You can do it on Thanksgiving if you want it.
And Madhubala is so cute in this.
If you're wondering who the hero is, Guru Dutt.
Great music, Vidyajan, for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio D Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahima.com.